Hey guys, it's Brian here for Smale Mazda in Greensburg. Today I'm going to show you how to connect your Android device to Android Auto on your Mazda vehicle. Pretty simply, first thing you'll need to do is go to the home screen here and scroll down to settings. Inside the settings, you go to connectivity settings, and then we'll go to Bluetooth/phone connectivity settings. All right, we'll pair new device. I have the Pixel 7 Pro, which is what I have in my hand here. I'm just going to go ahead, scroll down to that, and connect. Make sure the numbers sync up and pair, and access to my Bluetooth device. Mazda wants access to all of these things. Let's go ahead and allow that. It also allows us to start up Android Auto. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit start there. We're going to notice that it connects to the Pixel 7 Pro. So it brings up my Android Auto in front of me here. I have my navigation on the left-hand side and my music on the right side. Easily I can switch those about. That's really cool. We can go into my navigation. I can bring that up nice and big. I can ask for directions. I can listen to my music. I can make phone calls. I can go to these other apps as well that are accessible here on my device. I do have a push to talk button here on my steering wheel. I can easily get directions. Let me show you real quick. Directions to Smale Mazda in Greensburg.
Smale Mazda is 3 minutes from your location by car in light traffic.
So I can tell it to start and go, and it will give me directions to where I need to go. If you guys have questions, leave them in the comment section below. We love hearing from you. And until next time, enjoy the ride.